Hi everyone, welcome back. So design and analysis of algorithm web series is going on, and here we are having the next part of the DA. Already we are seeing the asymptotic notation. So in the asymptotic notation we have seen the big O problem. Now we are going to take another problem, 100n plus 5. So 100n plus 5 is nothing but it is a sum function, f of n function, which belongs to big O of any value greater than the n or n squared. So either you can give the n or n squared or n cube or so on so. So how the problem will be given now? Solve 100n plus 5 belongs to big O of n squared. So what is the function? Less than or equal to c star g of n. So f of n is nothing but 100n plus 5. That is the f of function. So c constant, we need to find out the big O for this particular f of n function. So how to find the big O for this particular 100n plus 5? So you can take any constant value. So for the constant value you need to find out. For that we shall substitute the f of n 100n plus 5 less than or equal to. This constant c can be found such that, consider the graph. In graph what we are having? F of n and g of n, that is c star g of n. So at one particular point when the n value, some n value, n is equal to 5 or 0 or something else, at that particular point this c star g of n is greater than the f of n. So definitely this value is greater than the f of n. So what is f of n? 100n. So definitely the value will be greater than the 100. So assume we shall take 100 as 101. Let assume the c is a constant value. So we will assume randomly c as 101. What is g of n? Already they have given in the problem. So g of n is nothing but it is n square. So what is the problem? 100n plus 5 less than or equal to 101 n square. So n, okay na? So n is nothing but it should be less than or equal to n square. That belongs to the big O. So it may be n or n square or n cube which is equal to or greater than. Then the function is valid. Suppose if they are giving in omega na, omega, suppose they are giving n and we are giving n power 4. n power 4 less than or equal to some function na, what will happen? Then that will become invalid. So we cannot evaluate that function. So before solving the problem we need to find it out whether the given problem is valid or not. So n is less than or equal to n squared or not. We need to justify that one. So now at one particular point it is going to be greater na. So we shall start from n is equal to 1. Wherever the n appears we will apply it as 1 and find it out whether the condition is true or false. So we are getting 105 less than or equal to, what is the value? 101. So this condition is false. So when the condition become false we need to apply for the next value. So if n is equal to 2, what will be the value? So likewise we need to find out the value one by one until the condition become true. So 100 into 2 plus 5 less than or equal to 101 2 squared. That is, what is the value of it? 205 less than or equal to 404. So this condition is true. So when n is equal to 2, this 100n plus 5 less than or equal to 101 n squared when n is equal to 2. So when n is equal to 2, this c star g of n is greater than the f of n. So this is the condition. Similarly, if you go for next value also, definitely it will be true. Whatever the value, I am applying 3 now, n is equal to. So definitely you will be getting 305 less than or equal to 909. Likewise, if you apply any value after the 3, definitely the condition will be satisfied. So when n is equal to 2, it starts the condition making it as a true. Therefore, this condition f of n. Thank you.